Business is the engine that keeps the world turning. It's the source of products, livelihoods, and opportunities. Hi, I'm Terry Bradshaw. Whether your focus is B2B or B2C, join me as we explore some of today's leading enterprises. People and companies are beginning to care more about the health of the planet and the impacts they are making. Let's take a look at how some are going eco-friendly.
Water is our most precious resource, but also the most delicate. Farmers, for example, need water to support agriculture to meet the demands of a growing population. But if they extract too much, it begins to negatively impact aquatic life. Lower river flows reduce available habitat for native species and can alter the water quality. Changes in flow patterns of the river can result in erosion for landowners. It's a never-ending battle between the needs of man and nature.
The drought in California is a perfect example of the collision of heavy water use and a variable water supply. There are a lot of competing demands for water: agriculture, municipal, recreation, and natural resources needs. In a bad year, there's just not going to be enough water to go around. A lot of times when that happens, it means the health of the river is going to suffer.
Scientists say many of these problems result from the lack of real measurable data. Diana Krupa is CEO of WaterCube, a company that is revolutionizing the way major river systems and reservoirs are measured.
There are tremendous challenges in accumulating and processing the vast amounts of data in our rivers. There was a study done with World Wildlife Fund which cited the top 10 rivers at risk. They said that without quantifiable evidence, they really can't have a purely objective case for how they can prove what the threats are to our major river systems. This is where WaterCube comes in.
Krupa founded the company with John Sloat, a fellow engineering student and friend from the University of Central Florida. After 20 years in separate careers, the pair reunited to bring their unique skill sets and technology to the water resource industry.
Traditionally, data is collected in a river at a single cross-section. However, by their very nature, rivers are dynamic and they change in depth and velocity as you go downstream. So fundamentally, being able to spatially collect that data will improve the reliability and the interpretation of those data results.
The company's unique approach rapidly captures large spatial scales of depth and 3D velocity. WaterCube can process data for an entire river in days rather than weeks.
WaterCube's unique data processing approach allows you to quickly understand what's changing in the river. Teledyne RD Instruments provides equipment that measures discharge, but it does so much more. WaterCube takes advantage of that data and allows them to quantitatively understand what's happening within the river reach.
Through advanced methods of data collection, quality assurance, processing, and visualization, WaterCube allows ecologists and the like to see real data anywhere within the study area. They can also validate theoretical computer models and improve performance while comparing progress season over season, year over year. This provides for more accurate data to drive decision-making and analyze the effects of different programs and efforts.
Automated platforms such as the Ivor AUV generate a tremendous amount of data. That has been a challenge to our customers. The power of WaterCube, it provides a data analysis and rapid assessment tool for our customers to be able to make those decisions.
WaterCube's solution not only allows hydrologists and researchers to access data more rapidly, but at a fraction of the cost. This would be of tremendous benefit to local, state, and federal authorities like the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission, which regulates all dams in the U.S. The technology could even help third world countries power small villages, convert to hydropower, and sustain the natural habitat.
One fish is brought in to look at a river from a natural resource perspective. How much water do we need to help protect the health of the river? In the past, it was simply too expensive to get and process the data we need to understand that. WaterCube allows us to get better data, better processing, better analysis, and all that leads to better decisions.
We are hopeful that WaterCube will enable institutions to adopt new standards for data collection and enable researchers and scientists to evaluate those data results in a much quicker and more efficient manner. It is far more cost-effective and can improve traditional data collection methods, which will significantly improve water conservation and river restoration.